How to add another account on Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you add another account or how can you use multiple account on Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Facebook Messenger with your account. Alright, so after you open the app, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on menu just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from the menu section, you'll have to just tap on the option switch profile just at the top of your screen. Alright, so now from this switch profile section, you can easily switch your profile or switch your account from your Messenger app if you have been already logged into your another account. So if you have not been logged into your account, you can easily tap on the option login into another account. Alright, so from this interface, you'll have to just enter your mobile number or email, and on the another section, you'll have to enter the password, and after you enter the correct password, you'll have to just tap on the option login, and after you log in, you can easily tap on that another account, and from here you can easily switch it. So this is the process. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.